All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install the Creative Cloud application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my downloads area in Chrome, which is the bottom bar here. I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up the file and it'll start installing Creative Cloud. Now, if you're on a Windows machine, you can go to the downloads folder and find the Creative Cloud installer there. Same with the Mac. If you're not using Google Chrome, it'll be in your downloads folder. Okay. So it wants us to enter our system password for Mac and possibly for PC as well. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your password as well. Okay. So I've entered in my password. I'm going to skip the questions for right now. It's just getting information. Okay. And then it's going to install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once this is done, then I will return. All right. All right, welcome back. So you've successfully installed Creative Cloud, and in the next video, we're going to cover the Your Work menu right here. Then we're going to talk about Discover. Then we'll talk about the Apps menu and so much more. So thank you so much for watching. And before I go, what I want you to do is right-click on the icon in your taskbar in Windows and your dock on Mac. Right-click on it and pin it to your taskbar in Windows and keep it in your dock on Mac. So you have access to it. I'm going to hit OK here. I'm going to maximize this and I'm going to put this on Your Work. I'm going to hit skip, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to talk about Your Work. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.